As the golden sun rises over the horizon, lighting up the path ahead, so does the promise of adventure call to the young at heart, regardless of the number on their birth certificate. For many seniors, retirement isn't just about rest, it's a golden opportunity to explore the world. Yet the thrill of visiting new destinations brings its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to staying healthy on the road. Staying vigorous and safe while satisfying your wanderlust is not just a possibility, but a priority. In this article, we delve into essential health tips that ensure your travel stories are about the sights and sounds, not the bumps and bruises. Prepare wisely before you go. The key to any successful journey starts long before the departure date. For senior adventurers, thorough preparation is essential. It begins with a visit to your healthcare provider. Discussing your travel plans with a doctor who is familiar with your medical history can help tailor advice and preventive measures specific to your needs. This could include vaccinations, dietary tips, or updates to your prescriptions. Also, packing is an art, especially when it pertains to health. Include a well-thought-out medical kit tailored to your journey. Essentials might include prescriptions, over-the-counter medicines for common travel ailments, and basic first aid supplies. Moreover, keep a detailed list of your medications and their dosages, possibly also translated into the language of your destination. This not only aids in emergencies, but can also streamline security checks. Insurance is another crucial aspect. Ensure your health insurance covers international travel or consider purchasing travel insurance that includes health coverage. This groundwork not only secures peace of mind but sets a strong foundation for a health-focused travel experience, staying healthy on the move. Once you're on your way, maintaining health amidst the excitement of travel is paramount. Hydration and nutrition are your allies. Often, with the change in routine and cuisine, it's easy to neglect proper hydration and balanced meals. Always carry a water bottle and opt for meals that are balanced, reflecting your usual diet as closely as possible. Physical activity should be balanced with adequate rest. It's tempting to push your limits to seize every moment, but listen to your body's cues. Schedule downtime into your itinerary and be mindful of new activities. For example, if you're exploring ancient ruins or charming villages with cobblestone streets, wear appropriate footwear to prevent falls and consider using a walking stick for extra support. Finally, be conscious of your mental health. Travel can be disorienting and at times stressful. Maintain a semblance of your normal routine, where possible, such as wake-up times and evening rituals. This helps keep your internal clock in sync and reduces stress, leaving more room for enjoyment and discovery. Engage actively with your environment, but also take moments to rest and reflect. This balance will help you savor each moment of your journey more deeply and return home energized and enriched. In conclusion, travel in the senior years holds a special kind of enchantment, combining the wisdom of experience with the freshness of new encounters. With thoughtful preparation and mindful practices on the road, every journey can be safe, healthy, and profoundly fulfilling. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins not just with a step, but with the courage to maintain one's health and spirit along the way.